Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing a parcel. Uh, Something I have actually never done on camera before. I thought of making this video because it might be really helpful to those of you who have been curious about. And this is not about clothing or this is not about cosmetic stuff. And but let's find out together what is inside.
So this is the parcel. I got it from Bro Meal Animal Feeds, and it took 4 days to reach. Let's open it. So there's a container inside again. This looks like a yogurt or something, ice cream. So here it's written Pro Meals Live Feeder Insects Raised in Quality Organic Diets. How to open this? The packaging is so nice actually. Okay. This is it. These are mealworm. You might have heard about. I'm seeing this for the first time. I've been waiting for this so long, and then yes. So these are mealworm. So we can use this if you have a pets like a gamelan or something, some squirrels or all these parrots, all birds. If you have, you can order this one, and then you can keep it. And this mealworm, they can feed on any organic stuff like potato and carrot, and then all the organic stuff. You can feed on them, veggies. So you can give them. So I purchased this for rupees 300, and then they are as per my order, it should be 100 numbers of worms. They have a little the exoskeleton, we call it exoskeleton. Their skin, it's a bit, it's a bit rough, like wild we Dutch, and they look very lively. So I would say that the way they do packaging, and then these are so good. It's very professional, and then they also made some puncture here for air circulation. And then these are the feeds they put here is a brand, which we feed to kettles and also pigs. And also they also include this one for handling this worm, I think. Yeah, tweezer. They also give this tweezer, for handling these worms. And also I have actually, whether they used to give it or not, but I've asked this booklets also, so they also add this, every details are here. And also premium insect treats, so everything is there. So I think I'm going to learn more on this. I'm going to learn more about all these feeds, and then like you might have aquarium in your home, or any of these pets like parrots, and then there's rodents, camelins. So you can purchase this. and some of the details I'll be giving in my description also, and then you please check out. Thank you.